Hello everyone, today I have a new recipe of mint margarita. First of all, we have to take a jar and add mint and some water and then mix well with grinder or hand beater, whatever you have. Then we have to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. I am using brown sugar. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt or up to taste. Then mix well again. Then add 1 lemon. Then we have to take a glass and add mint liquid we made before, and then add some 7-Up bottle and whatever you have. I'm using sparkling water and add again 7-Up. Now it's ready to serve. Enjoy your drink.